Easy card drawing. Let's learn how to create an easy card drawing. This lesson is designed for fun and simplicity, so get ready for an enjoyable experience as you explore how vehicles can be drawn. You will use basic shapes and colors that work together, making it a great way for you to express yourself.
You can expect your drawing to take about 30 minutes. This time will fly by as you focus on different parts of a car like its roof, windows, and tires. You'll see how each part fits together as you create a complete card drawing. The step-by-step approach will help you feel confident as you go along.
You'll start with outlining and then move on to coloring your drawing. You can use crayons or colored pencils for this part, so feel free to get creative with your color choices. I'll be using light blue for windows and green for car's body, but you can easily modify these colors to your liking.
By following along, you'll discover how simple shapes can turn a blank piece of paper and transform it into a simple card drawing. This easy card drawing lesson is perfect for beginners and will guide you through 9 simple steps.
You'll start your drawing with basic outlines and gradually progress through each part of the car, like its roof, windows, and tires. You'll see how drawn lines and shapes work together, making your drawing look like a car when complete.
Once you finish outlining, you can let loose with colors using crayons or colored pencils. So grab some paper and a pencil, and scroll down now. Let's start drawing that car.
I decided to create some of the more popular car drawings to prove to myself that I could do this. A vehicle of any description is not the best subject for beginner artists to tackle, but I'm willing to try if you are. I chose to draw the old favorite Ford Model T.
It was the most popular vehicle for nearly 20 years, a fantastic achievement for Ford. I found a good picture to copy and I am fairly happy with my results, crooked lines and all. Since I'm brand new at creating images of any description, I think this is a cool car drawing.
Go crazy, berserker.